She knows that someone's after her. She calls faster.
Oh, you died.
It's cold, isn't it? It's good you're sleeping the whole way. The thing is, one time Freshta did that in the shop we work at.
Yeah.
And she went too fast that she lost her hands and fell on her teeth and knocked her teeth and started bleeding and stuff.
Oh, sorry.
Now she's happy.